Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking back on 2024 and the progress that I've made up until now. This is the first raised bed for my garden space. I purchased 2 more raised beds from Amazon. I purchased 2 barrels for my blueberry bushes, and I also created a flower bed. The theme for my garden will be ladybugs and butterflies. I definitely will be on a hunt for ladybug and butterfly decor. I did purchase a few items that I have here in the flower bed. I plan to put some brick or fencing around this space. Maybe, I'm not really sure, but we'll see. This is what my garden looks like now, and I love the raised beds came with greenhouses, which is a big help all year round. I had a lot of bad and a lot of good, but I've learned so much this past year, and I learned a lot of tricks and things that will help me improve for this new year starting in spring. I purchased insect killer to help keep down the pests. I looked into purchasing 10-10-10, and I think I'm going to just use that on my grass and not in my garden. I want to do a more organic garden. I also purchased sunlight grow lights from Amazon to give my seedlings a great jump start before I put them out in the garden. These are just a few things that helped me out this past season. I have a lot more things that I'm going to try and going to grow. Please come back to my channel and subscribe, and please give me any advice. All is appreciated. Thank you guys for watching again. Please like and subscribe.